There's also another interesting thing that came up in an interview I did with a data center director from Eaton. And I think by the time this particular episode goes live in the podcast, that interview will be live as well. But there's a difference in how to approach the selling and servicing and supporting power management solutions, depending on whether you're selling into an established market, like a mature market, or an emerging market. In other words, let's say you're selling power management solutions in the UK or in the US. These are very, very well-established data center markets where it's highly competitive. You're not the first person that's come around to a data center to talk about them with these issues, and you need a much more finely nuanced level of investment to truly compete and differentiate your product and services offering and build a strong professional brand based on trust. It's a very different kind of challenge than when you're going into an emerging market where the level of data center infrastructure, power infrastructure, telecommunications infrastructure is nowhere near like the US or the UK or Singapore or something like that. What's an example of an emerging market? Most of Africa, parts of Southeast Asia, some parts of Latin America. But again, very, very different challenges where you're spending just a lot more time on foundational education and really truly understanding what's going on in the market.